Okay, loves, let me just briefly tell you where the items came from that we have in our living room. So I'm going to start over on this side. The mirror came from Z Gallery. Actually, all the pillows that's on the couch also came from Z Gallery. My couch came from Rooms to Go. This throw here came from Home Goods. The actual arrangement that you see over in the corner, the picks here actually came from Hobby Lobby. The picks here actually came from Z Gallery. The vase also came from Z Gallery. I so love these pillows. The color is a little different for me, but I actually love it. I'm loving the black and gold tones. Moving over on this side, the gold ginger jar from Z Gallery, the black one came from Tuesday Morning. My accent table here came from At Home. This beautiful pineapple here came from Joann's Fabric. The vase here came from Luxe Lifestyle. I'll leave the link below to the website. These little picks here came from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago. This is actually a fall pick. And yeah, Hobby Lobby, a fall pick. But these gold picks here came from Pier 1 a few years ago. The wall art came from Home Goods. I am loving how the gold looks next to the gray and the silver tones. I'm loving that color combination. The bigger ginger jar here came from Home Goods. The little stand that the ginger jar is sitting on actually came from Home Goods as well. Moving over here, I did not mean to have these lanterns in the corner, but I filmed a video with them in the corner. I meant to put them up because I had them sitting over here, but I meant to put them in my she shed, but they're accidentally in the video. But these lanterns are super cute. They came from Z Gallery. They have a smaller one and a bigger one. Okay, you may have hear some roosters and chickens in the background because my neighbors has chickens, and so excuse it if you hear them in the background. My lamps came from Z Gallery. These super cute little palm trees here, I purchased them last year from Hobby Lobby. My octopus came from Z Gallery, and they were like 13 bucks the other day. And I had placed a swipe up in my stories on Instagram. They may still be on sale. This candle here came from lights.com. My coffee end table came from Rooms to Go. Same pillow here. This chair came from Style Up Corp. I'll leave the link below to the chair. I love this chair because it has the gray and the gold tones in the chair. My drapes came from Amazon. This set here, love it because it has the silver tones in there, and the plain gray actually came from Amazon as well. The wall art came from Home Goods. So I think my coffee table books. All my coffee table books that I have currently out came from Stage My Nest. I'll leave the link to her website over on Instagram. My coffee table decor, everything except for the books came from Z Gallery, and this candle came from Bath and Body Works. Some more Stage My Nest books. I love her books. These are actually vases, guys, but I'm using them as candle holders, as you see here. I love these. They had them in white, black, gold, silver from Z Gallery. I purchased these a few years ago, but I did see them in the store maybe a couple of months ago, right when they start putting out summer decor. And my expandable coffee table here came from Wayfair. I love this table. Perfect for my space. And it expands out if I wanted to use a little extra decor. But I would love to have a bigger coffee table in here because I love doing coffee table stylings. But for the sake of space, I have this one in here. So I'm going to pan around to my entryway. So my entryway table itself came from Rooms to Go. If you notice, my husband painted my door black for me. We were going to get a new door, but we decided to just go ahead and paint it black for now. So this wall art here, I actually gave it away to my daughter, but she never came and picked it up. So guess what? It ended up on my wall, but I'll give it to her once I change my color scheme around. So another pick from Z Gallery. The vases here had for a while came from Home Goods. I shot my she shed for a lot of this stuff that I'm using. Another candle from Bath and Body Works. Some more candles here from lights.com. These beautiful candle holders here came from Bath and Body Works. I love these water globe candles. I try to get every style that they have. So Bath and Body Works, you owe me some money. I'm always supporting your candles. Oh, Lord. Okay, so the ginger jar here came from Inspire Me Home Decor. And my tray came from Z Gallery. Now this here, this arrangement is a DIY. I purchased this flower. It was green. You can probably see some of the green coming back through here. It came from Hobby Lobby. I think I paid about $8 for it. But I just spray painted it. And I just have it sitting inside of a trash can. This is actually a trash can that I purchased from Home Goods. So you'll be amazed what home decor you can use for different purposes. So I'm using a trash can as a vase. So moving on around over here, these picks here, the gold ones came from Pier 1, love them. The silver ones came from Home Goods. This vase came from Z Gallery. My super cute black, I have these in all different colors, came from Thomas Ferrier. I'll place a link below to that. Then I have my accent table here, actually came from Z Gallery. Last but not least, my most favorite part in this living room is my pendant light from ET2 Lighting. Love this lighting. I'll place a link below to that just in case someone wants to check that out. And my rug came from Home Goods, but you can get your hands on it from Wayfair. I'll place a link below to that. So I hope that this video inspired someone, at least one person. I know it's different for me, but I am loving it. I'm loving these gold tones. I'm loving the mixture of metals. I'm loving how it's making my space pop. I'm getting that old Hollywood glam look here, which is what I love. I'm an old Hollywood glamorous type person because I'm team too much, don't know when to stop. But anyway, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.